What are the reasons behind your mutual fund not performing as expected? Financial expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will elaborate on this now.
There could be many reasons, as I was saying, that probably it could be economic conditions as well. There could be some bad policy decisions which could have impacted the performance. There could be some reason which could be related to a particular company which may not be performing. Those are few kinds of reasons, and you have to also understand the fact that every investment goes through a cycle. It is not like a linear graph. There are some phases of time when you will not be seeing any return, and there are phases when you will see a substantial return from the mutual fund. So I think you would remember, or probably you would have seen one of the slides where we have showcased, if you have invested in equity at all points of time, which is about say 44 years, you would have generated a 16-17% kind of a return. But if you have missed best 10 days from the market, best 10 days, your return would have reduced from 18% to 12-13% kind of level. And if you have missed 30 best days, your return would be about say 4-5%. And nobody knows which are those best particular days. So I would probably suggest that continue the investment. It's very difficult to identify and miss those best days, then your returns will go for a toss.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.